Are you ready to dive into the world of Bluetooth Low Energy development? If you're looking to create a C++ DLL for Windows 10 that can scan, connect, and exchange data with BLE devices, you're in the right place. I totally understand how challenging it can be to develop applications that communicate with Bluetooth devices. Many developers face hurdles when trying to implement BLE functionality, and you're definitely not alone in this journey. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user recently asked for guidance on developing a C++ DLL for Windows 10 that can scan for, connect to, and exchange data with a Bluetooth Low Energy device. Sound familiar? If you're in the same boat, let's explore some solutions together. So, what do you need to know about BLE development in C++? Bluetooth Low Energy is a wireless technology designed for short-range communication, and it can be tricky to implement without the right tools and libraries. But don't worry, we will guide you through it step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a fantastic resource that will make your BLE development journey much smoother. To begin developing a C++ DLL for Bluetooth Low Energy, the user should first set up their development environment. This includes installing Visual Studio, which provides the necessary tools for C++ development on Windows. Next, the user needs to include the Windows 10 SDK in their project. This SDK contains the libraries and headers required for Bluetooth Low Energy functionality. Now the user should add the necessary references to the Bluetooth APIs. This can be done by including the appropriate headers in their C++ source files. After setting up the references, the user can start implementing the scanning functionality. This involves using the Bluetooth APIs to discover nearby BLE devices. Finally, the user should test their DLL by creating a simple application that loads the DLL and calls the scanning functions. This will help ensure everything is working as expected. Fun fact: did you know that Bluetooth technology was originally developed as a wireless alternative to RS-232 cables? Now it powers everything from headphones to smart home devices. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using the WinRT BLE libraries for C++. These libraries provide a similar API to C#, making it easier to implement BLE central functionality. You can find a helpful resource at the provided GitHub link. If you prefer using raw C libraries, they are also an option, but keep in mind they may lack some features. For more information, you can check the MSDN forum link provided. Here's the resource I promised. The Microsoft documentation link is a treasure trove of information. Bookmark it, and you'll have a go-to guide for all your BLE development needs. And there you have it. With the right libraries and resources, you're well on your way to developing a C++ DLL for BLE central functionality. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on software development.